Hello everyone, this is Ricky Tran with Lexus of Memphis, and today we're going to talk about this personal setting on the digital rear view mirror. To turn it on, all you have to do is just pull this lever from the back of the mirror forward and your digital rear view mirror come on. You set the setting on it, just press this button, and when you set it, you just keep on hitting the same button until you get to the point where you can adjust your dimmer to make it brighter or dimmer by moving this button. Change setting, I can go to the next one to change the elevation of bringing it up or back down, right? If I hit this button again, we'll move it left or right on the camera, right? And if I wanted to change the angle to it because it's kind of tilted one way, I can hit it to change one way, and I can hit the other button to change it back. If I wanted to zoom in, I hit the same button to bring my vehicle in closer, the camera zoomed in closer, or zoom back out again. Hit this button to change it to the next one. This is the auto dimming, where it automatic dims the vehicle if there's a bright vehicle headlight coming in. And then the next one would be your home link system, to where it shows you the instruction on how to program your home link system. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.